She's biting my thumb.
Oh, okay, what you doing, Jersey?
Ow, don't bite my shoulder blade. Alright, I gotta hold it breathing. No, not the back of the head. Ow, ow, ow. I need that.
No, you don't.
Die.
Just get your feet out, and then once she bites your feet, then just get out by your head.
It hurts whenever she bites my feet.
Would you rather have her bite your head?
Yes, actually.
Okay, there she goes. I think she's done now.
Is she going?
Yeah. Go get him! Go!
Go get him!
Blake, start moving. Move, like,
Violently.
yeah, just, like...
Ah, she's biting my leg.